Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the fourth video of using SQLite3 in Python. In the previous videos, we created the database, which is empdb, and we created one table, employees table in this database, and we inserted two records in the employees table, Ahmed and Ali. Okay, now in this video we are going to try to fetch the data from the table. Fetch data means go to employees table and get the data and print it on the screen. To fetch the data from a table, we will execute the select SQL statement, and then we will use the fetch all method of the cursor object to store the values into a variable. Then after that, we will loop through the variable and print all the values. So let us get started. First, I'm going to close this program and start defining the function. The function is called SQL fetch, like that. It will take the connection variable. Okay, of course, to execute any SQL statement you need first to create the cursor. So copy and paste the execute method of the cursor, and I'm going to write the SQL statement, which is select all from employees table. Okay, select all from employees table means get all the rows, get all the columns from the table. If you want to get only one record from the table, which means one, for example, one employee from the table, you need to use the where clause. So like that, where, for example, ID equal to something, and you have to specify the value for the placeholder of question mark. Okay, in this case, the select statement will get only one record, only one employee. His ID is equal to the specified ID, and the ID value you can provide it, or you can ask the user to enter it. But I'm not going to use the where clause because I want to fetch to get all the data from the table. Okay, next, create a variable called rows and store all the rows in this variable by using the fetch all method. Okay, you need now only to loop through the rows for row in rows. Okay, print row. Very good. That's all for the function. Now I'm going to call this function in the main program, but let me stop executing this code because I don't want to add or to insert any new rows. I want only to fetch the data from the table. Save and run. I can see here that the SQL fetch function working properly. This is the first record and this is the second record. Thank you very much. See you in next videos.